I'm Darnell with Live Young Lifestyle, and I'm here today with my best friend Gina for another episode of Cooking with Friends. And today we are going to make an actual healthy Chinese chicken salad.
Yum, I'm excited.
I love Chinese chicken salad, but it's usually the worst thing you can order on the menu. It's shocking.
That surprises me.
It's all those crunchy carb toasted stuff that they put on top. That's kind of like Pringles, like once you eat it, you have to just keep going.
So everything that tastes good is not good.
Okay. Well, a salad sometimes, because of the dressings, because of the sugar, because of the toppings that they put on, they are delicious and it makes us eat greens, but we're getting loads of sugars and we're just crashing afterwards. So this is actually a very healthy Chinese chicken salad. Okay, so here's what we're doing. We started with a whole head of romaine lettuce and we chopped it. So you just take a knife, chop it. That's what we got. Now we're gonna add purple cabbage. I just sliced it. You're adding everything in it.
The mixer.
These are snow peas, and I deveined them. So you cut the little thing off the end that you strip that, and then you cut them at an angle so the little peas can come out.
That's gross. Deveining.
Throw that in.
Another episode.
Shredded carrots, green onion. This is the white part, and then the green part you just slice. So, but we're gonna save a little bit of the green part. So we can add that on the top because that's the pretty part. And we're gonna put about half of this in. These are toasted almonds. So this gives you the crunch, but they're really good for you.
They're so good.
Right? Add half of those in and then give me the other half. We're gonna add about half of this, the cilantro, because we're gonna, again, I like to make salad on a salad board and then I put all the really pretty stuff on the top. These are mandarin oranges. I just peeled them and then I just chopped them in half. And that's, it gives you that really sweet flavor. So we're gonna add about half of those. Again, I'm gonna save some. Now comes the meat of the dish, the chicken. I often make this salad when I have leftover rotisserie chicken, because I'll just shred the breasts and use it that way. So if you don't have chicken breasts already in your refrigerator and you wanna make them from scratch, you just take 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, preheat the oven to 350, coat them with a little bit of sesame oil and a low sodium soy sauce, cook them for about 15 minutes or until the juice runs clear, and then let them cool and you shred them so it becomes like long kind of strings of chicken. So this is all going in.
Okay.
Well, now you can kind of start tossing.
And what you don't see here is Bella the dog.
We save a little bit.
Who is getting a little chicken.
We save a little bit for Bella.
Bella's so happy.
Yeah, this will be for Bella's lunch.
Really? Oh, you only cook it at 350 for 15 minutes?
Well, I would say 350, 20 minutes, you're pretty safe.
Okay.
And then let it cool all the way. And remember, as it's cooling, it's still cooking. So go ahead and start tossing that. We're gonna save these things for the top. You're doing
look at this. Suck in and toss the salad. Okay.
We are going to move on to the dressing.
Okay.
So most Chinese chicken salads are loaded with sugar in the dressing, which makes them so yummy, but it's not good for you. So the only kind of sugar that's in this particular dressing is 2 tablespoons of organic honey. Now it's not-
Is it certified? Okay, sorry.
It's 100% certified.
Okay, good. Thank God.
Okay, so you're doing 2 tablespoons of that.
Okay.
We're gonna have to microwave this for about a minute because it's hard, as you can tell.
Another arm workout.
And then we're going to add to that some sesame oil. And I just want to be clear, all of the exact measurements of everything is on my website, liveyounglifestyle.com. And also in this video, down in the description, I will go ahead and list all of the ingredients and the measurements for each of them. So we're gonna add to that 1/4 cup of water, which you have there. And then we are going to add 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. Sesame oil smells so good to me.
Oh, it smells like
Yum.
toasted nuts or something.
It's so yummy.
Oh, toasted sesames.
So then you add 1/3 of a cup of rice wine vinegar. We have about 3 cloves of garlic. You can stick that in there. And we're gonna do 1/2 cup of low sodium soy sauce. Put that in there. And we can add a little bit of black sesame seeds. This doesn't really have to go in the microwave, but I always like to mix it in with the sauce. And then we'll add a little bit of this on top as well. We're gonna microwave this for about a minute. Doesn't it smell so good?
Oh, it's heavenly. It's
so
amazing.
now you're gonna whisk that, not with that.
Oh, sorry.
So whisk and, yeah. Okay, and you are going to toss.
Here's the arm workout again.
Find the little moments to exercise. Making Chinese chicken salad. Okay, go ahead and toss that. Like I said, I always like to use these salad plates because I feel like it's a really nice presentation.
This is so restaurant professional. This is so pretty. I'm very impressed. Why have I never had this here?
I don't know.
Wow.
The toasted almonds. Now remember, all of the measurements are going to be up on liveyounglifestyle.com, so make sure that you go to that website to check out all the ingredients. So there you have it, a really healthy Chinese chicken salad made with my best friend. That's a really good way to live young.
Love you.
Love you too.